Well, with the drought conditions in Kansas, some say we could see a smaller wheat harvest this year compared to previous years. Reporter Grant DeMars has more on how the drought has impacted wheat production.
The world's breadbasket could be emptier than usual this year.
They say wheat has 9 lives, and so it's used up several of them this year.
Stephen McLeod in Harvey County says months of prolonged drought has kept the crop from growing to its full potential.
We had a dry winter and a dry spring, which again limited its growth.
Aaron Harries with Kansas Wheat says lower than average yields are likely and predicts Kansas will harvest 100 million fewer bushels than last year.
If you took what USDA projects for harvested bushels in Oklahoma, Texas, and Kansas and added those up, it's still less than the total of what Kansas harvested last year.
Geography plays a significant role. Western Kansas has seen months without rain. But McLeod says in Harvey County, he doesn't expect too much yield reduction.
Both sides of either side of the head in the mesh are beginning to fill, and you'll also see the third row on either side, which that is where you really begin to see a good strong yield.
McLeod says the quality of this year's wheat crop will likely be spotty. On the one hand, some of the heads look really nice, but on the other, there are clear signs of disease on the leaves. These issues come as commodity prices are higher than usual, above $10 each bushel. So 100 million fewer bushels in Kansas than usual adds up to about $1 billion loss.
It comes at a time when the world market situation is a little tight, and that's why you're seeing the reflection in the prices.
McLeod says even with commodity prices high, he hopes it's enough to offset higher input costs caused by inflation.
Fertilizer, chemicals, herbicides, pesticides, all of those things, a tremendous factor in terms of the profitability of farms and farmers.